Hi, I'm teacher Karen of Valeriani E. Fugoso Memorial High School, and for today's lesson, we're going to learn about quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals comes from the word quad, which means four, and lateral, which means side, meaning to say quadrilaterals is any closed figure with four sides. And to know more about quadrilaterals, watch this video.
Parallelograms have two sets of parallel lines. Trapezoids only have one set at a time. A rectangle has four right angles. A rhombus has four sides that are equal. Squares have four equal sides and four right angles. Quadrilaterals have four sides and four angles. Parallelograms, rhombuses, trapezoids, squares and rectangles. And if you add the angles inside each of these, there will be 360 degrees.
And here is the quadrilateral family tree. This family tree shows how the quadrilaterals are related. So let us now explore quadrilaterals. Here are the different concepts of the different types of quadrilaterals.
So quadrilaterals really only have two major things. One, they're made of straight line segments. So really, they're just polygons. But they're polygons that have four sides. This is the key part for quadrilaterals. So our first quadrilateral is a square. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, making it a quadrilateral. Then two different sets, right here and right here, of the sides are parallel lines. Also, if we were to take off the sides and put them side by side, they would all be exactly equal. Finally, squares have four angles, and every single angle is a right angle, making that L shape in the corner. Another quadrilateral that you've probably seen before is a rectangle. A rectangle, just like squares, they have four right angles. They also have two sets of parallel lines, right here and right here. But unlike a square, rectangles, if you were to take their sides off, their sides are not all equal to each other. And the next quadrilateral is called a parallelogram. These ones do not have any right angles, none. They do have two sets of parallel sides though. And also, if we were to line up these sides, just like the rectangle, they would not be equal. Then we have a rhombus. Rhombuses, just like parallelograms, do not have any right angles, none. They do, just like parallelograms, squares, and rectangles, have two sets of parallel lines, right here and right here. With all of these sides, if we were to line them up, just like with a square, they would all be the same exact length. And our last quadrilateral for today is called a trapezoid. Now trapezoids can come in many different forms that look kind of different from each other, but they're all still trapezoids. The main thing is that they just have one set of parallel sides. Only one. The other side is not parallel. So let's go ahead and give this a try now. What polygon that is a quadrilateral has four right angles and all the sides are equal? That's right, it's a square. Alright, so what if it has four right angles, but the sides are not all equal? And that would be a rectangle. Okay, so two sets of parallel sides, and the sides are all equal, but they're not all right angles. And that would be a parallelogram. Alright, and what about if there's two sets of parallel sides, and the sides are all equal, but they are not all 90-degree angles? And that would be a rhombus. Alright, last one. There's only one set of parallel sides. The sides are not all equal. So remember, one set of parallel sides. And that would be a trapezoid.